now we are talking about virus. Okay. The first thing about virus we should remember is virus is an exception to cell theory because it lacks a cell and protoplasm. Okay. So it is an exception to cell theory. So what is virus? It is a nucleoprotein entity capable of multiplication by taking over cellular machinery of the host cell. What is nucleoprotein? Nucleoprotein means protein binds with nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA. Okay, that is capable of multiplication. That means replication by taking over the cellular machinery. Cellular machinery means the physical and chemical components of a cell that function together to carry out the essential physiological function of a cell. And what is physiological function? We will study in physiology. Okay. It cannot multiply over artificial medium, unlike bacteria, because bacteria can multiply over artificial medium. Okay. Without involving growth and division, because we know virus has no cell. This is acellular. Okay. If there is no cell, there will be no division, no growth. Okay. Viruses did not find a place in classification since they are not truly living, because we know that living means there must be a cell, but virus has no cell. Okay, they have no cell structure because they are non-cellular organisms. Okay, so they are not truly living, so they did not get a place in classification. Okay, they are characterized by having an inert crystalline structure outside the living cell. Okay, inert means inactive. Crystalline structure means structure of a crystal. What is crystal? Crystal means homogeneous solid form that has a regular shape. Okay, you know about salt crystal. Okay, once they infect a cell, they take over the machinery of the host cell. Okay, outside the host cell they are inert, but once they infect a cell, they will take over. That means they will capture, okay, the biosynthetic machinery of the host cell. What is biosynthetic machinery? That means RNA, enzymes, okay, to replicate themselves, and they will kill the host. This is the principle of virus. Okay, the name virus, that means venom or poisonous fluid, was given by Pasteur. Okay, this is important. Now, D.J. Ivanovsky in 1898 recognized certain microbes as causal organism of mosaic disease of tobacco. This is the first identification by D.J. Ivanovsky. Okay, they passed through bacteria-proof filters because virus smaller than bacteria. Okay, so they can easily pass through bacteria-proof filters. M.W. Beijerinck in 1998 demonstrated that the extract of the infected plants of tobacco could cause infection in healthy plants. So what is extract? Extract means here juice of the plant, okay, that is coming out by giving any force, pressure, okay, and called the fluid as contagium vivum fluidum, that is infectious living fluid. This contagium vivum fluidum given by M.W. Beijerinck. Okay, this is very important. Now, W.M. Stanley in 1935 showed that viruses could be crystallized, and crystals consist largely of proteins. Okay, we know viruses have two things, protein and nucleic acid, that is nucleoprotein entity. Okay, viruses are obligate parasites. Okay, because without having a host cell they cannot replicate. Okay, their life cycle cannot be completed. Okay, so they are obligate parasites. Now, viral genomes, that means nucleic acids of virus. Okay, that of two types, DNA and RNA, but no virus contains both RNA and DNA. Okay, either DNA or RNA will be there, but not both RNA and DNA. Okay, so there is DNA virus and RNA virus. Okay, DNA virus, that is having DNA as genetic acid. Okay, genetic material. Okay, so DNA, that is two types, single stranded and double stranded. Okay, and RNA. Okay, that is also two types, single stranded and double stranded. So this single stranded RNA mainly infect plants. Okay, single stranded RNA virus, that is mostly infect plants. And one thing we should know that RNA viruses are more dangerous than the DNA viruses. Okay, because RNA polymerase has no proofreading ability, but DNA polymerase has the proofreading ability. What is proofreading? Proofreading means if there is any mispaired of bases, they can check. Okay, they can correct it. This is called proofreading of DNA polymerase, but RNA polymerase have no proofreading ability. That's why RNA viruses have the more chance of mutation. That's why it is more dangerous. That's why no effective vaccine is easily available for the disease caused by RNA virus. Okay, so, and single stranded or double stranded RNA virus or double stranded DNA virus that causes infect in animals. Okay, we should remember this, and this will be easily remembered. Okay, that is single stranded RNA viruses mainly infect plants. Okay, now bacteriophages, that is the virus that infect bacteria. They are usually double stranded DNA virus. Okay, so in next chapter we will discuss about the structure and the disease caused by virus with viroids and lichens. Okay, thank you.